Alright, looks like we got most of the track delivered. We still have all these lift and brake run tracks around here. But over here, we actually have part of the actual ride track for the rest of the course that isn't just the lift and brakes. Right here. But if you look at the ends, there's probably like numbers. Say this is most of it. Might not be all of it, but yeah, it says like the details of it. I find it interesting how some of the ends are different colors, like here the end of this is pink. And somewhere one of the lift hose pieces have blue on the ends. Yeah, here it is. Here's the one that has blue on the ends. Looks like over here they have more footers poured and more dirt covering over down in the hole that they dug. And then over there looks like some fresh footers. And I could be wrong, but I think this is new fence. Not really too much done over here. There's like a couple more footers over there. Probably much left of the station. But with that, we're all cleared out of here. Make sure to like and subscribe and enjoy the ride.